Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to delete our TikTok account, and now let's dive right in. Now to delete a TikTok account, first open up your TikTok app, and from over here guys, at the bottom right corner of your screen you can see a profile icon. Tap on that profile icon, and over here again at the top right corner of the screen you can see the three lined icons. Tap on that three lined icon, and over here tap on settings and privacy. From over here at the top of the screen you can see the accounts option available for us. Tap on account. Now in order to delete your account, you can see the deactivate or delete your account option at the bottom of the screen. Tap on deactivate or delete account. And over here guys, you can see the delete account permanently at the bottom of the screen. And over here choose your reason, or you can just skip this option. To skip it, tap on the top right corner where it says skip. And over here tap on by continuing. You receive your data request and wish to continue deleting over here at the bottom left corner of the screen. And after that tap on continue, and again tap on continue guys. And over here a code will be sent to your account over here, and of that enter your code and the delete account button will be available for you. Enter your code over here, and of that tap on delete account, and then your account will be permanently deleted. And there guys, this is how to delete your TikTok account permanently. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.